Active Directory, AD, is a directory service developed by Microsoft for managing and organizing network resources in a Windows-based environment. It is a central database that stores information about users, computers, groups, and other resources within a network. Active Directory is widely used in enterprise environments to provide a centralized and secure way of managing and authenticating users and resources. Key components and concepts of Active Directory include Domain Controller, DC. The Domain Controller is a server that runs the Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS, role. It stores the Active Directory database and is responsible for authenticating users, managing security policies, and replicating changes to other domain controllers. Domain. A domain is a logical grouping of computers, users, and resources that share a common security boundary. It is managed as a single entity with a unique domain name, such as company.com. Forest. A forest is a collection of one or more domains that share a common schema, configuration, and global catalog. Multiple domains in a forest trust each other and can be managed together. Organizational units, OUs, are containers within a domain used to organize and group objects, users, computers, groups, for easier management. They allow administrators to delegate authority and apply group policies selectively. User accounts. User accounts represent individual users within the domain. Each user account is associated with a unique username and password, and it defines the user's permissions and access rights within the network. Computer accounts. Computer accounts represent computers that are members of the domain. They allow central management of computers and enable users to log into those computers using their domain credentials. Group policy. Group policy is a powerful feature of Active Directory that allows administrators to apply specific settings and restrictions to users and computers within a domain. It simplifies configuration management across the network. Global Catalog. The Global Catalog is a distributed data repository that contains a subset of the most commonly used attributes from all objects in the forest. It facilitates faster searches across domains within a forest. Active Directory provides numerous benefits, including centralized user and resource management, reducing administrative overhead. Single sign-on, SSO, capabilities, enabling users to use a single set of credentials to access multiple resources. Enhanced security through authentication, access control, and encryption features. Simplified resource sharing and collaboration among users within the network. Integration with other Microsoft services and applications. Overall, Active Directory plays a crucial role in the organization, management, and security of resources in Windows-based enterprise environments.